we're here to meet my sister Brenda. She's flying in from Boston. We haven't seen her now in 2 years, so
we're going home to visit family. We booked our flights in August, so we've been planning for 6 months.
I'm here to meet my daughter Fiona, arriving into Shannon from Dubai.
I'm coming from San Francisco. I'm home for Christmas for 3 weeks.
I'm looking forward to seeing my sister Pam. I'm very excited to see her.
It's her first year coming back cancer-free. The first time we've celebrated really Christmas in 3 years.
That moment when you finally touch down and get to see them coming out to the door, and even though I've been away for 7 years, I always get a little bit emotional when I see them. Such a big change from Ireland to America, so I can't wait to see my friends and all my family.
It's just hard to describe coming through the doors and just seeing your family there. Even when you're touching down, I cry every time. It's just like I'm home.